Modern poultry houses are built with a fairly sophisticated environmental control system, which in many ways is not that different from the typical house or apartment. The fact is, well over half of the cost of building a new poultry house is associated with making sure we can keep our birds as comfortable as possible, regardless of what is happening outside. During cold weather with baby chicks, our houses are designed to maintain a house temperature of 90 to 95 degrees, while at the same time making sure that humidity, ammonia, dust, and carbon dioxide levels are kept to a minimum, whether it's 70 degrees outside or whether it's 0 degrees outside. Now, with older birds during hot weather, our houses are designed to maintain a temperature of between 75 and 85 degrees on the hottest summer day. Even if it's 105 degrees outside, our house will be between 75 and 85 degrees, and we're going to have a nice breeze of about 8 miles an hour blowing over these birds continuously, keeping them as comfortable as possible. Now, one very important aspect of our environmental control system is the fact that our houses are totally enclosed. This provides the grower with increased level of control over air temperature, air quality, air movement, light, and as well as keeping energy usage to a minimum. Because our houses are totally enclosed, one of the big advantages is they're going to use 30 to 50% less heat or energy compared to our curtain-sided houses of 10 or 20 years ago. Furthermore, during hot weather, they will require 10 to 20% less electricity to cool the birds over traditional curtain-sided houses, basically making them a very green way of growing birds. Another important aspect of a modern broiler house is they tend to be large. Larger houses tend to have a more stable, more consistent environment than the smaller houses built in the past. Larger houses tend to have a lower energy cost per square foot per bird place. So we're going to have lower electricity bills and lower heating bills. Last but not least, larger houses tend to have a lower initial cost, both to build and to equip, than the smaller houses built in the past. We're building these houses to gain control over the environment, because if we have control over the environment, we'll have control over the bird comfort, bird welfare, energy cost, and production of that bird. So it's all about keeping conditions right for the bird.